Here we have a GTO to check out, 1971 Pontiac, 2-door hardtop. Nice looking GTO, orange in color or carousel red. You'll hear it called, very similar to that. Has had a repaint. Actually, this vehicle has had a frame off restoration, engine gone through, all of that done back according to the receipts. Looks like mid-90s to late 90s. Still in nice shape. As you can see from the front nose on this, not full of rock chips, dings, scratches. Yeah, if you look around enough, you will find little imperfections maybe in the clear or the paint, but overall shows very nice. Be a head turner any local shows, your cruise-ins. 400 V8 underneath the hood. It is a YS block, so it is error correct. It's a 400 or 300 horsepower. Is not numbers matching, not representing it numbers matching, and that is paired to a turbo 400 automatic transmission. As you can see, it's got the ram air hood. Power steering, power brakes also underneath there. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see this car from every angle, check the underside out, interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And you can always call us, 507-386-1726. Black vinyl interior bucket seat car. Check that out here in a bit also. Look up and down the passenger side of this. You can see, again, not full of nicks, dings, scratches, straight car. Do have a clean title in this car. It came to us from the south. Now, here's your interior, looking pretty stock in here. Black vinyl buckets. Also appear that they've been all redone and restored. Center console for that automatic transmission. And remember, power steering, power brake car. Did have the radio and wipers working in there. There's also a pusher fan up on the radiator, and that's actually wired into the rear defrost switch on the dash, FYI. Now remember, we do consider trades. We can sure assist with transportation. And of course, financing is available. This car may qualify for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, paint very consistent, nice looking all the way around this car. Rear chrome bumper, also in nice shape. Rear end, 355 rear end, limited slip differential, or posi traction, I should hear it called. All right, let's check out this interior. We'll fire it up so you can hear it run, and check out the engine bay and snoop that over a little bit here too. Door panels look good. Carpeting, there are some floor mats that come with this. I have them pulled out just for the pictures in the video so you can see what the carpeting looks like. Don't want you to think I'm hiding any holes or rips or tears under the floor mats. Seats also in nice shape, vinyl in good shape, front and back on this. If I can get the headliner to show up also, headliner is in nice shape. Gets a little tough with the glare sometimes, but try to block it for you. Headliner, nice shape. All right, let's fire this up. Like I said, I did have the radio and I did have the wipers working. This switch right there is what the electric pusher fan was hooked up to. Notice when I was moving it around, it's just a little cold-blooded. We'll let it warm up just a tad here. As you can see, dash in nice shape. Wood grain and everything looks good on the interior. Slip out, whoop, excuse me there. Slip out so you can hear this in the rear. And again, error correct, 400 underneath the hood. YS block. Not representing his numbers, but error correct, 400. Alright, what I'm going to do is I want to slip up, we'll pop this ram air hood. I want to let you get a peek underneath there and see how it looks. So. give me a second to pause this and check out that engine bay. Alright, hood pop. There's our Ram Air hood. See how nice and tight it still is underneath here. Like I said earlier, frame off restoration back mid to late 90s. This car has been well taken care of. Here, how smooth that runs. Power steering, power brakes. Nice sounding, good looking engine bay. There we go, true 1971 Pontiac GTO. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. And remember, we do consider trades. We can sure assist with transportation. Financing is available. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.